Griselda by Fashion
Where
Rebels.
do I sit with the fantasy?
Yeah, nigga.
The fantasy.
It's a motherfucking machine, nigga. You know how I go.
With the fantasy.
It's been a hell of a year, man. You know what I mean?
Oh, the fantasy.
My future is bright, nigga. Fuck you talking about, love. Thinking back when I used to move zoning. Now they sending bells of Gorilla Glue over. The wax had me in a few comas. What we got in common, boy? You never been $1,000 shoe owner. Machine bitch, they saying he relentless. Well fuck it, nigga, I'ma be a menace till I receive a sentence. Shout out to the OGs in prison that had a fleet of Benzes. Now they bitten behind McKean fences, and they ain't even tripping. My sneakers limited, I seen you fishing. You can't even get 'em, boy. Put that on mama love, I will leave a nigga. Bullet in his lung, I promise it's hard breathing with it. I can look at you and tell you niggas hurting, starving. Pocket always hurt like Percy Harvin. Niggas had everything for sale since back when Yale was 17. You never seen a bell. My niggas let metal ring as well. I tell them to make sure they hit everything in bed. You never seen a jail, you seen frail. We smell pussy on you, homie, we can tell. Pop on, drag his body if you leave a trail. Mop it up, chop him up, make sure you don't leave a smell. Yeah, I paid the cost to be the boss. Fit for me and I'ma squeeze it off. It's the machine of course. You seen him in the Porsche and not the old one. A slow run better than no run, long as the dough come. You let off a whole drum and hit no one. My youngin' went from an 8-ball to moving whole ones. I know a nigga locked up for another nigga body. The risk you taking when buying another nigga shotty. Bare face, you know what that mean when it's a robbery. The jack boys here to catch a motherfucking homie. Lay it down, nigga.
His first hello, he gave